Welcome to Unlocked Magic, powered by DVC Rental Store and DVC Resale Market. Here's how simple it is to save on theme park tickets. We'll go through the process for getting Disney tickets in this video, but the process is exactly the same when purchasing discounted Universal tickets through Unlocked Magic. When you arrive to the Unlocked Magic website, the first thing you'll see is the option to shop discounted Disney tickets. Click here or navigate to the menu to start the process of saving. Once you click on Disney tickets, you'll follow the steps at the bottom of the page. First, select the first date of your park visit from the dropdown. Then select the number of days you'll be visiting the parks. For this example, we'll say 4. Next, you'll select your ticket quantity, including all adults and children who will be in your party, not including children under the age of 3 who don't require a ticket to get in. Then, scroll down and select which type of ticket you're looking for. Through Unlocked Magic, you'll have the option to save on every ticket type, including water park and sports, 1 park per day, Park Hopper, and Park Hopper Plus tickets. You can see the total price and the savings highlighted within each option. When you're ready, click Add to Cart on the tickets you've selected. This will take you to our super simple checkout page. If you want to make changes, you can click on the back arrow to return to the previous page, or click the X next to your ticket selection if you'd like to remove it from your cart. To check out, enter your billing address and payment options, then click Place Order at the bottom of the page. And it's that simple to save on your Disney or Universal tickets through Unlocked Magic. Once you place your order, you'll receive a confirmation email, and then you'll receive your tickets in a second email 24 to 48 hours after placing your order. You can see right here on screen what that initial confirmation email looks like. Once you get your tickets via email, you simply need to add them to your My Disney Experience or Universal app. Keep watching and we'll show you how to do that. First, let's talk about linking your discounted Disney tickets to the My Disney Experience app. If you'd like to start with Universal, skip ahead to the 3-minute and 2-second mark. The first thing you'll have to do is make sure that you download the My Disney Experience app from the App Store and that you log into your Disney account. Once you open the My Disney Experience app and log into your Disney account, you can click the hamburger menu in the bottom right of the screen. Then you'll scroll down to the Account Settings area and click Link to Account. At the top, you'll see an option for Type ID. And if you click Type ID, you'll see at the top under Admission Media, there is a space to type in your ID number. That is the ID number that we will send to you in an email once you purchase your tickets through Unlocked Magic. Simply type in the number in the email and click Link Media. Once you've added your tickets, if you go back to that hamburger menu and scroll to the top, you'll see My Tickets and Passes. This is where your tickets will appear once they're linked to your My Disney Experience app. Now, let's talk about adding your discounted Universal tickets to your Universal Orlando app. First, you need to download the Universal Orlando app from the App Store and log in with your Universal account. Once you're logged in, click the Profile button in the bottom right. Then tap Wallet. Once you're in the My Wallet section, find the Add Tickets and Passes section and click Scan. Then at the bottom, you'll see Enter Ticket Number Manually. If you click that, there will be a space for you to enter in your ticket or pass number that we will send you in an email once you purchase your discounted Universal tickets through Unlocked Magic. Simply type in the code and click Continue at the bottom. Once you link your ticket to your account, it'll show up in My Wallet. Then you can use your Universal Orlando app to access the theme parks using your discounted Universal tickets that you purchased through Unlocked Magic.